Build a life that has meaning. Boom. Hey, so my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today's video, just talking about, this is really going to talk about why you need to start moving forward and building the life that actually has meaning to you. Okay? Let me give you a story. So, a couple years ago, right, I felt like I was falling through the cracks of life. Because I've been trying to grow businesses. I've been trying to help people. I've been trying to, move forward in my life, but it just didn't seem like anything was moving. It felt extremely slow, right? So what do I mean? It was like like the e-commerce, just wasn't taking off the way I thought it would. I had launched a bunch of courses, just a long time ago. Probably about 6 years ago, I had launched a course, and just nobody bought. I got nobody to come to the website. I had done so many different things, and just nothing was working. It was like, I see all these other people online who, are making six figures. Some were even doing seven figures. Some were even doing like $20,000 in sales in their first month online. And it was just crazy to me. Exactly, it was just so crazy to me. And it was like, oh man, when am I going to be there? Why am I not able to do so? Right? But I had to learn the strategies and learn, the skills that I needed to do to be able to create the life that I deserve, right? So, let me just give you an example, right? Like for example, a life to be able to, have as many guitars as I wanted. A life to be able to, go on vacation if I felt like it. A life where, if I didn't feel like working, I almost tripped over a guitar on the ground. Just to be able to have control over my life, control to be able to do what I want, when I wanted, to go where I wanted, to do what I wanted, right? And it wasn't always easy, but once I figured out what I needed to do, I was able to build the life that I wanted. Why am I able to shoot a video? It is 10:58 in the middle of the day, while most other people in the United States are working. They're at their desks. They're maybe searching Facebook. I don't know exactly what it might be that they're doing right now. I can't see them. But I know that in my life, I have control. If that's what you want, maybe you're looking for freedom. Maybe you're looking for control. Maybe you're looking for the ability to go, have location, neutral, automated income. I don't know exactly what it is for you, but I know there are some proven steps and strategies that, when implemented, give you a greater chance of success and actually be able to get what you want. Now, a great way for me to be able to impart these strategies and skills, now, this is not for everybody, is for people to go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, I'm giving you everything that you need that is step by step for you to be able to start moving forward. Why do I even have the group, right? Let's be real. The reason why is because if something is posted on Facebook or LinkedIn, oftentimes the content is shown out of order. And when you get proven strategies that are out of order, like you get step C before you get step A, it leads to confusion. And when you get confused, you start to get overwhelmed. And once you're overwhelmed, you might give up. Instead, if you join the group, I'm going to be able to give you these bite-sized incremental pieces to allow you to start moving forward. If that's what you've been searching for and that's what you're really trying to get out of life and out of your business, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information that I have shared today. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Take it easy. Subscribe and see you later.